Hello everyone, please like and subscribe my YouTube channel Dream Big. Myself Ved Prakash Mallik, class 9th, Jawahar Navodaya Vidyalaya Jagatsinghpur, Odisha, subject mathematics, topic coordinate geometry, guided by Mrs. Pramila Sahu, TGT Mathematics. Introduction. Coordinates are a set of values that show an exact position. On maps and graphs, it is common to have a pair of numbers to show where a point is. The first number shows the distance along and the second number shows the distance up or down. Example, the point 12.5 is 12 units along and 5 units up. But there are other types coordinates such as polar coordinates and three-dimensional coordinates. History of a mathematician, René Descartes, 1596 to 1650. The method of describing the location of points in this way was proposed by the French mathematician René Descartes. He proposed further that the curves and lines could be described by equations using this technique, thus being the first to link algebra and geometry. In honor of his work, the coordinates of a point are often referred to as its Cartesian coordinates and the coordinate plane as the Cartesian coordinate plane. Cartesian coordinates. Using a Cartesian coordinates, you make a point on a graph by how far along and how far off it is. The point 12.5 is 12 units along and 5 units up. X and Y axis. The left, right or horizontal direction is commonly called X axis. The up or down vertical direction is commonly called Y axis. Where they cross over is 0 point. The X axis runs horizontally through 0. The Y axis runs vertically through 0. In the coordinate plane and origin. Points are placed on the coordinate plane as shown below. It has two scales, one running across the plane called the x-axis and another at right angles to it called the y-axis. The point where the axis cross is called the origin and is where both x and y are 0. Quadrants and sign of coordinates. The two axes divide the plane into 4 areas called quadrants. The first quadrant by convention is top and then they go around counterclockwise in the diagram above. They are labeled quadrant 1, 2, 3, 4. The quadrant the plotted points will fall in the depends upon whether the numbers in the ordered pair are positive or negative integers. If both the x and the y numbers are positive, the point will be in first quadrant. If the x number is negative but the y number is positive, the point will be lie in second quadrant. If the x and y numbers are both negative, the point will be in third quadrant. If the x number is positive but the y number is negative, the point will be in fourth quadrant. Then the coordinates of points. A point is the basic relationship displayed on a graph. Each point is defined by a pair of numbers containing two coordinates. A coordinate is one of a set of numbers used to identify the location of a point on a graph. Each point is identified by both an x and y coordinate. The x coordinate of a point is the value that tells you how far from the origin the point is on horizontal or x-axis, whereas the y coordinate of a point is the value that tells you how far from the origin the point is on the vertical or y-axis. The notations for identifying points. Once you have the coordinates of a point, you can use the ordered pair notation for labeling points. So here is an example. The picture is given pointing on the axis. The x coordinate of point B is 100. The y coordinate of point B is 400. So the coordinates of point B are 100, 400. Then the x coordinate of the point D is 400. The y coordinate of point D is 100. Then the total coordinates of point D are 400, 100. So these are the basic concepts about the coordinate geometry of class 9th. Thank you.